Well, good morning, everyone. Today it is going to be miserably hot once again. It's also going to be very humid. The reason being, well, we've got that ridge of high pressure still in place. We've also got the moisture coming in from the south. With all of this being said, we do have a WFA weather alert day until 8 o'clock this evening because the feel-like temperature to you could get as high as around 105 degrees. So what you need to do is limit your time outdoors. If you have to be outdoors for an extended period of time, make sure to take plenty of breaks, hydrate properly, wear the SPF. Here is the heat advisory over the Metroplex and areas off to the east. But even though some of our western counties are not under the heat advisory, it will still be plenty hot today. It's just warm right now. This is our Weatherford camera. Everything's nice and quiet. Temperatures starting out in the 70s and 80s. We're at 82 degrees in downtown Dallas, 79 in McKinney, just 73 though in Greenville, 76 over in Mineral Wells. But later today, we will likely climb into the upper 90s across DFW, but 101 in Denton, 99 in Terrell, 98 degrees in Athens, and about 100 degrees this afternoon in Decatur. Overnight tonight, skies look mostly clear. Temperatures drop down into the mid and upper 70s. So it's going to be another warm start to your Tuesday, and tomorrow looks just as hot. Right now, we're very quiet. Looking at satellite radar, we do have a little bit more cloud cover west of I-35 west. Now, as we go throughout the afternoon, I do expect to add a little bit more cloud cover. So calling it partly cloudy later on today. There's also going to be a very low chance of an isolated shower storm popping up anywhere across North Texas. So most of us will likely stay dry. Once we get into tomorrow, though, those rain chances start to go up a little bit more. Now we're looking at about a 20% coverage of isolated showers and storms. So again, this is going to be very isolated. We don't have one big storm system coming through, a pretty weak jet stream overhead, which means the storms can basically happen wherever they want to. Once we get into Wednesday, the rain chances still look fairly low. The rain chances look a little bit higher south of the Metroplex, but they will still be there. The good news is once we keep these rain chances going throughout the rest of the week, by the end of the week, temperatures start to go down. So for today, partly sunny, temperatures still make it into the upper 90s with a very low chance of an isolated shower. Tonight, we're dropping down into the upper 70s. Looking at your 14-day forecast, tomorrow still looks very hot. We're looking at a high of 98 degrees, but rain chances increase for Tuesday and Wednesday. Temperatures start to go down a little bit. It's not going to be cool by any means. 94 degrees on Thursday, down to the low 90s on Friday, and then next weekend, not so bad. Temperatures staying below normal. Looking at the second half of that 14-day, it's still looks warm, but not terribly hot. Brianda, what's traffic looking like right now?